This conference will now be recorded.
Quick introduction about your name and your experience and currently what we are, where you are, which technology you are working. This is my want to know that. Can you please start, Abhi? Pick.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yes, Abhi. Can you please, what is your experience and currently which technology you are working? Can we know that?
Yeah, my name is Abhi Thomas. I'm working in Bank of America as a internal auditor. So I have I finished my master's as well as my bachelor's in computer science. So
So what is
currently,
your total experience, Abhi? Your total experience?
pardon me,
What is your total experience?
total experience more than 8 years.
Okay. Which technology working?
Yeah, we are just using all the databases.
Oh, database. Okay. Your
Yeah.
database. Okay. Okay. Good. Good.
So I
Yeah.
finished
Thank you.
my master's in
Yeah.
computer application in FCA in India. Then I did my bachelor's in computer science. Then I did
Okay,
my
fine. That's fine. Thank you. We want just to know about name and your total experience and which technology. That's enough.
okay, sounds good.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Abhi. Thank you so much. Hi. Good morning. Hello. I think you're on mute. Can you please unmute? Please. Jiju. Hi, Mahesh. We'll go for Mahesh then. Hi, Mahesh.
And I'm having total 8+ years of experience and I'm working in testing.
Okay, testing domain. Total completely whole 8+ is testing. Is manual testing or automation testing, Mahesh?
Yes, it's like initially it was functional testing, now it's automation testing.
Okay, automation testing, what you're using there?
Selenium.
Selenium. Good. Then you know Code Java then. Then you know Java, right? Without Code Java, you're not able
Yes,
to do
yes,
Selenium testing,
yes,
right?
but not much. Yes.
Okay, good. Good. Okay. Thank you, Mahesh. Hi, Meenal. That's correct.
Hi,
Good
sir.
morning.
Good morning.
Hi.
My name is Meenal and I'm from Pune. I have been working in Pega production support for the last 5.5 years, and I'm into core level 3 production support where end-to-end support for Pega developed application is provided. So right now we are working on 7.3.
So you last 5 years working in the Pega project only.
Yes,
So support, production support.
right.
So, but then you know
So
well
I did
Pega.
not had any certification. I did not had any certification, but I have knowledge of Pega because the first project which I had received in my company was in Pega itself. So since then I'm into Pega,
What
and
version they
that is the
use?
reason
What
I.
version they use now?
Sorry,
What version they're using right now?
the latest
Version.
version is 7.3.
7.3 they're using right now. Okay, okay. Is Vodafone?
Previously I was working with Vodafone. Right now with HSBC.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm asking you. Yes.
Hmm.
One is they're using still the same thing. Okay, good. Now this main you came for certification certification purpose. You joined for training because as you said that you know well
Right.
Pega.
Yes.
Okay. Fine,
And also I
Meena.
want to do development. So that is the
Okay,
reason.
okay. So you don't have idea about
Thank
development, just only for
you. No.
fixing of issues.
Right.
Okay, good. Thanks for that also to that. Okay. And you know all the things, what are the rules are there, everything, right, Meena?
Yes. Yes.
Good.
At
Thank
least the
you.
basic knowledge I have. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Good. Thank you for sharing your experience here. Hi, Raj. Good morning. Hello, Raj. Yeah.
This is Raj Fulcrum. I'm a Agile project manager for the last 2 years.
Sorry, your voice not clear.
Is it clear now?
Okay, go ahead, madam. Yeah.
Yeah, my name is Raj Fulcrum. I'm a project manager, Agile project manager. Most of the things Agile and Scrum. So I work in Tech Mahindra, then Accenture, then now in Anthem. So regarding the Pega knowledge, I do not have any Pega knowledge, but I would like to get the certification. Earlier, I worked in Salesforce as a project manager. So my
You know Salesforce. You know Salesforce?
yeah, to some extent. Not see, as a project manager, I was involving in the Salesforce projects. I was working with the team. I
But
got
there was some
certified.
knowledge you have in BPM tool. Just that's my question. Whatever you have
Yeah,
in BPM.
yeah, I do not have any coding knowledge, honestly, but customers and everything to some extent I know, and definitely I will be like trying to understand and fast learning. So my goal is to get certification and something like see again the certification makes the difference, right? To get better into things and be separate. That is the main goal. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Thank you so much. Yeah, I
Thank
think
you.
Ram already know. Hi Ram. Good morning.
Hi, good morning. Hi, this is Ram. I'm a database principal architect. I'm working in a $100+ billion, more than $100 billion+ company in US. And then my intention to learn with this, I'm also certified in Salesforce CRM, but end-to-end solution. It's not only the one we stick I've been working the last 20 years in a backend, only database. And then I thought the scope of the database administrators are going down every day. I need to switch my technology. And then I figured it out cloud. But even the cloud, once they go, and then there is no much scope about it. So it is all auto managed about it. And then I discovered one more thing. Can you mute that
Can
Raj?
you please unmute Raj? Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. All right. So, and then I realized this is only the CRM, it's not going to help. So I figured it out the Pega, which is a BPM. Not only the BPM, we can develop any kind of farms in health, insurance, home, and auto. This kind of farm based we can do no code. That's what is excited. And then I say I just want to be learn this and then do the certification and then go for my switch to my career towards to complete end-to-end solutions, database and then application, and then I'll be good. That's the reason I'm seeking help from you.
Okay, good, super, good. Thank you, Ram, for sharing your
Thank you.
experience. Yeah. Hi, Srini. Morning.
Uh, good morning. For me, good evening.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. I am in IT industry for more than 25 years. Currently, I'm working in manual testing in DevOps, but I also worked as a systems administrator, production support manager in hosting services, apart from QA lead and some other
Yeah.
responsibilities.
Good.
I don't have much experience in coding. I did little bit in Java and COBOL, but not very extensively.
Okay. Good. Anyhow,
Yep.
not requested. That's not required here for Pega coding language. Okay. Don't worry.
Yep.
Yeah. Thank you, Srini, for sharing yours.
Thank
Hi,
you.
Vijay. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Can you please?
Hi, sir. This is Vijay. I'm a test analyst in Mass Adroit in Melbourne. I have 2.5 years experience as a manual tester. So I'm looking for a new platform to grow up my skills and for a new job actually. That's what I'm here.
Okay. Good, Vijay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you to all sharing of your your experience and your knowledge, whatever. Thank you so much. I think know that why we came here today. Is Pega demo, okay, it's Pega training. Okay, already I told about myself. Before start, okay, I just will inform about training details. So then we'll be, so you know that then we'll get some idea about what is Pega training. This training is total 35 to 40 days will be there. Okay, every day we have 1 hour. Okay, every day 1 hour we have. I think maybe Prakash will fix the timings. Maybe morning time is 6 to 7, 7 to 8, whatever you are comfortable. You don't worry, you're comfortable, we'll go there. So every day we have the class, and Saturday, Sunday there is no class. Okay, Saturday, Sunday there is no class. You don't worry, maybe Saturday, Sunday will be free. Don't worry that I will give more exercise for both days. So you should come with that in Monday class. Okay, so that is going that. So Monday to Friday we have 1 hour class, and 35 to 40 days will be there. Maybe some days may go 50 days also. We're not sure on that. This I'm telling you. So, but target days is 40 days. Okay, our target is 40 days. It means that 40 hours. Next, then we are going to provide you here Pega documents, and first of all, before that, we will share Pega agenda in the mains. Pega course content first. We'll share you what we are going to discuss in the what are there inside the Pega tool. So we're going to share the Pega course content, then Pega documents, Pega PowerPoint presentation for every topic, and main thing is Pega software. Okay, that you need to install in our system for practice purpose. I know that maybe few of knows, maybe we have get it somewhere else. Is Pega is a licensed product, how we can get it? I'll tell you that. Either way, we have trailer version. Okay, Pega will have 2 versions. One is trailer version, one is licensed version. Both are the same, you don't worry, there's a difference. We'll talk later what is difference also that. So we'll provide you Pega software and will help you to install in a system for practice. You need to do practice every day there, because very important here, you have to do more practice in the Pega tool. Because, for example, there is no coding here. Okay, so suppose you want one phone, maybe a very high level features, whatever, iPod phone, whatever you got it. The initial stage is how to use the phone. A lot of confusion will be there. Correct. Once 2, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, we'll practice more. If you see all the feature, how we can use all the feature, then after 10 days, automatically you can play the phone. Am I right? The same thing Pega tool also. Everything is there features. You should know that. How you have to know? When you do practice. We're not developing anything new things here, correct? In your phone, you're not developing anything. The features we have to find out what are the features are there, how we can use that. The same thing Pega tool also saying. It's important why I'm telling you, comparing, you have to practice, very important here. Okay, no coding, as saying that CD, everybody is no coding. Coding is even I don't know coding also. Okay, maybe in 2007 I know Java, but till I don't know what is there also. Just I'm telling you. So very important practice. So practice is what domains software is required. So we'll help you to install a system. Then, yeah, one more thing before I have to inform now itself. So the system specification 8 GB and 64 bit is required to install Pega software in any local machine. Okay, system specification 8 GB RAM and 64-bit machine. Question: can we do 32-bit? No, it not support for the latest version till 7 they released. Till 6.3 I can say about exactly. So from 7 onwards they are releasing only for 64-bit machines. Then what I can do, I have 4 GB or maybe 2 GB. 4 GB also we can install it, but the system the application work very slow. So for avoiding bit fast, what we can do, 8 GB. So you can say that I have 32 vision, what I can do that. You don't worry, even we can do practice. But we need internet access. I think everybody will have internet nowadays. You have mobile, you can do hotspot, whatever. So basically, if you have internet access, even I can do practice. How? We have an option, Pega Cloud. Without install Pega software in local machine also, I can do practice. How? We have Pega system is provided one of the best practice, one of the best option, Pega Cloud, that available be there. So, but for you need internet access to use that. Okay, that I'll tell you that. So, for practice purpose, we have two ways. One is for local machine, we have to install, otherwise Pega Cloud. Okay, two options are there. Then, so I will give two use cases. One is we will do in the class. Second one you can do after maybe training is over. So the same thing you can follow. What are the steps I did from starting to till? Same step for second use case, you can do that with your own. I can give you for the second use case document and steps, documentation, I mean that technical document, and second thing is source code also I will provide you. So by seeing these three things, you can do your own in our local, your mission, wherever you want is a cloud, your local mission, wherever. The best is, I can say what to the practice the local mission. Why question? I'll tell you that cloud, because cloud is using many of the users. Sometimes it may slow performance. So the local mission only by you. So it's good so that the practice also. Even there's one more thing also will be there. If you do practice in the cloud option, they will maintain only 15 days your backup code. After that, automatically they're removing your backup and you need to create again one more account and there you have to practice. But local mission, that is in your hand until you shut down, until you uninstall operating system, maybe Pega software, a backup code will be there. Then you can take the backup again and install it, one new version, you can import it the code also for future reference purpose. So that's why I would suggest to you, please go for Pega local machine. That's called Pega personal edition. Okay. Then coming to point, certifications, as you very important. Without certification, I know well Pega. I'm very expert in the Pega. I'm very hot rating out of 10. But you don't have certification, I want to consider as a Pega resource also. You know, then if you guys came, one guy have certification, one guy don't have certification. Who don't have certification, you don't tell Pega, but who have certification doesn't know much in the Pega knowledge, but I will prefer Pega certification guy because that is the importance of them. So they will consider who have the Pega certification, so we'll consider as a Pega resource. So at certification point of view, don't worry, when we are talking about the particular topic level, I can tell you about how interview point of questions and certification questions, what kind of questions will come this topic level. I can tell you that you can note it, you can prepare. If you prepare those questions alone, definitely clear the certifications. I can give guarantee CSA, CSSA, but CLSA you need to put more effort. Okay, that's not bubbles. This CSA I can give a guarantee, but CLS if you want, at least you need to work some project level at least 6, 7, 8 months. Then you will get some. Then CLS if you contact me also, I can help you in that. But before directly, once the training is over, I want to know all the certification. No, till CSSA I can give it. That is called second level. What about CPBA? I'll tell you what their number of ones are there. So here, the about certification point of view also, you will definitely clear. Don't worry on that. Then maybe have some plans. Once everybody, definitely you are experienced people. So once the training is over, you'll see some outside. If others, I'm just who are looking outside, best opportunities, best package or whatever. For them, I can give suggestions and there I can help you resume preparation, whatever. So these things, interview means every day I'll ask you questions. Let's forget it's not like interview point of view because I have to know that whether you understand or not. I will ask everyday questions, what we discussed previous class, and every Monday one mock interview will be there. Just 30 minutes I will ask you to everybody. What is we discussed last week, whole week. What are done the first day 1 to till now. I will ask you all the interview. I will ask you questions so that I can know that whether where you will be understood, where you will be there. These are all things we'll practice. Again, I'm telling you, I just tell you that if you give a phone, immediately within 1 week, you are very much interested to know that what the features. The same thing you put same interested is not a big issue because Pega is a tool, not a like coding language. I know that is Java. It's like a .NET. It's like package will be there, right? It's not like the number of modules will be there. In the Java, there are number of modules. In .NET, there are number of modules, but Pega is not like only one module. Is not in one module. There's like very less topics also will be there. I can tell you that. So this is about I'm going to provide in the training point of view. Do you have any questions in here? So documents, Pega course content and PowerPoint presentation, Pega software and use case and certifications, and regarding the guidance and resume preparation, entry question. These things I'm going to provide you. So if anything else about, just let me know. If I have, definitely I can help you on that. Any question about the training details level from anyone?
Yeah, this is Raj. So will the local software support the latest 8.4 version, Andy?
Yeah, yes. Yes, Raj.
Okay.
Yeah, we are providing latest version on 8.4 and Raj.
Okay, thanks, Andy. Thank you.
We are going to discuss on 8.4 on here because
Okay.
if you know higher version, maybe in the as I think Meena is saying that we are working 7.3, you can work 7.3 easily. If you are going to try in the 7.3, maybe some other organization maybe using 8.x version. Who knows that? That time you will maybe face some issues, right? So if you work in the higher version, it's not an issue, right, for you. So that's why I'm going to concentrate higher version. Even one more thing in certification point of view, right now is available 8.x version. There's no 7.x, there's removed.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll concentrate higher version. That is the best for the everyone.
So here when you are, one thing is like we are seeing the people here, right? They have wide variety of experience, right? So I think the coaching definitely, like definitely, I'm not from the coding experience, but I'm very much good in understanding the business point of view and everything. So when you're trying to view the use cases and with this customization, I hope we will, even with the no coding experience also, we can just leverage your training and get certified and get knowledgeable. That's more things, right? That can be achievable, correct?
Yes. One thing, that's why Raj. So did you see my course content, Raj?
Yeah.
I just mentioned this from basic onwards. I mentioned from the basic concepts like zero knowledge in Pega.
Okay.
It's zero knowledge in Pega. I mean, completely. Just forget about coding is not required. Here, 0% coding here. 0% coding here.
Okay.
You're not using 0%. If you even define the code as a Pega policy, should not write coding here. That's Pega policy.
Got it.
Okay, I'll tell you that. I'll tell you one by one. So this is about training details. Okay. The second thing about sorry, someone saying?
Yeah, this is Avi. I have a question. Do we
Yes.
going to do any? Yeah, are you able to hear me?
Yes, Avi.
Yeah. We are planning to do any project or something like that?
Yes. That is in the class. We'll start on use cases and project only.
Oh, okay. Sounds good.
Okay, use case is nothing but as we can call agile methods. One of the like business requirement. Whatever, it's all the same word. It's called project. Okay, fine. Yeah. Next thing about here in Pega, there are like different roles will be there. I think not only Pega, every project level. In the project, there's different roles will be there, right? So the first role is limit stakeholders, whatever, that is forget. There's like all things with different, this is called requirement. BA will be there, and manager, and architect people, then senior developers and junior developers, and testing, testers, and administrators. So to develop from starting to end your application, these many roles are there. Am I right? So every role will have different responsibilities. Correct? Every role will have different responsibility. The same thing here also, Pega. We have roles as Pega BA, BA, BA. Here we can call CPBA. What means Certified Pega Business Architect. So for him, but for before that, you need to finish. CS is very, very mandatory for everyone. First of all, write down what are the roles will be there. BA and manager, project manager, and architect, then senior developer, junior developer, and tester, and administrator area. And now everybody they have to do CSA, this mandatory certification for everyone. CSA is a developer role. CSA, CSA. Even this all test roles they have to do CSA. Admin also. This is for him also optional. Okay. So everybody they have to do CSA. Apart from that, they have to do CPBA. Based on the role, they have to go for. I have to go for BA role. I have to go for architect role, developer role. I have to go for test role. I have to go for admin. Test role here is optional, not required. Is optional. Remaining BA and manager and developer roles, that three roles are there. It's called developer role completely. It's levels, level 1, level 2, level 3. Junior developer CSA, senior developer, they have to do CSSA, this two second level certifications. And it's called architect, CSSA and CLSA. In CLSA, the three parts are there. Part 1, part 2, part 3. But because of COVID, till before COVID, we have three parts. Because of COVID, part 1, part 2 exams, part 3 project is called app build. Okay, we have to do that. There will be 3 days time. We have to finish. So now because of COVID, they removed one exam. Okay, now part 1, part 2. Okay, two parts are there. Part 1 is exam. Part 2 is app build. So this is who have experience in Pega, at least more than 5 years of experience. They will go for part 1. Part 2, maybe 6+, 7+ people, they will plan for the part 2. Okay, that is now your category is still here. CSA, CSSA. So we are going to concentrate this all the roles in this training. Okay, I can define that. I will tell you that what is BS doing here and manager and administrator and tester. But our main target is developer role only. Okay, I'm covering all the role, what they have role and responsible, what they're doing. I'm just explaining here. The main role is we're going to target in this training is developer role. So until that, we are going to covering in CSSA. CLSS, I'm just telling you that high level also. But meaning is senior developer. LSS I'm covering, but you guys. So once the training is over, maybe you can plan for some outside. Then at least you need to put 3+, 4+, 5+. Till 5+ I can give that. Okay, if you put more than that, they will expect more again. So till 5+, so you get definitely keep some expert the resume as a Pega. Then you need a CSSA certification. So if you go there, you have to survey there. So according to that, I prepared my course content. If you look, just ask if you don't have Prakash, we'll show you course content how you prepare. Just look on that. Okay, so this is the way this called CSM is very important. Certified System Architect, everybody have. Why? Because if the certification, if you have that, then the field means we know some Pega, what are the features inside the Pega tool. Without knowing, Pega features, how you can get the requirement, because as a BA will be there. His position what the client is saying that you should whether this requirement is suitable or not Pega tool. Then he knows. When he know Pega tool, then he can whether I can do that. Otherwise, how you can whether without knowing any Pega knowledge. That's one thing. Manager the same thing. Project manager also same. CSA same thing. And then developer role, that's okay, mandatory. Everybody's want to develop this one. Tester is optional, not mandatory. Then administrator. Administrator, this is server maintenance. These all things will be done with the deployment. Will be done with the administrator role only here. Okay, the other roles will be there in the Pega tool. Your main concept about the developer role only. Okay, so this is about what we are going to concentrate here, the developer role. Getting everybody? So main is the developer role here. Got it? This means that senior developer and on lead system architect also. But you know, just know that what is lead system architect will do here. But your main target is CSSC, Certified Senior System Architect. Okay, this is about roles and certifications. Clear about this? Anyone have any question about roles and certifications?
So I have one question. So right
Yes,
now
please.
the certification that is available is PCSA for 8.4, right?
Yes, not 8.1 is also
8,
there.
8, right. So is there any change in syllabus compared to the 7 version, or it would be
Yeah,
same, or it would be
that's why,
focusing?
right? That's why they change the version, right? 7.2, 8.2 version. Why? Because this major version changed, because they add some major changes.
Okay. So
Otherwise,
right now the session will be covering for the latest one only.
yes, latest version only. This is latest version only.
Okay.
Yes, that's why
Okay.
you're going to install Pegasus software, latest version, not like lower versions. If you want, I can give 5.x also will be there. For 6.x also will be there, but nobody using right now 5.x.
Right.
Only one project are using in the Pega customer. That is called AIZ. That's limit. So remaining all people are using 7.x. Now 8.x also they moved directly now. And 8.1, but 8.4, even 8.5 also coming soon, maybe next month.
Okay.
Okay, but we are going to consider about the higher version. We are going to install also higher version software and main.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So this is about training details and roles and responsibilities and certifications. And now I'll go for Pega demo. In this class, I'm going to discuss about what is Pega, why Pega. These 2 points means very important. You guys all are experienced, have very good experience with the different technologies, whatever you have front-end technologies and middle layer technologies and back-end technologies, what are findings for application, right? Application or maybe integration technologies, whatever you have, we have good knowledge. But why we have to keep to Pega again? This question, because I can develop without Pega, so I can develop. We have the number one language will be the industry. It's called Java language, open source software also. Using this, I can give them more security, I can give them good development, I can give quality, everything will be the by the Java, right? I'm ready. Can everybody have agree, right? Is even with the higher version, whatever. For the latest trend, they're releasing always the latest features for the Java. So whatever. So the Spring features and Hibernate and Angular, whatever. So even we have that, but why have to go for Pega? It's not like even free. It's a license. First, we'll go for what is Pega. Is Pega actually is one of the university name. Actual product name is called PRPC. Okay, what is the name? PRPC. Anyone please full form? What is that? PRPC. What is the full form? Anyone?
Is it Pega rules and Pega controls?
Pega rules process commander. Okay, actual name is, this is the product name. It's released by Pega system. Pega rules process commander. What is that? To develop this product, the usual again, it is a tool, is a language. It is a tool, not language. Okay, it is a tool, not a language. This tool will understand different languages. Okay, no, this tool will have language. Okay, this tool will have language. So PRP's with Pega rules process command is a tool. This to develop this tool, they use two tools actually. That's why they put in the two combinations. BRE and BPM. So BRE means PR. You can call another name also for BR or PR, and BPM will have another name is called PC. Pega rules process commander. It's a combination of two tools. One is BRE and BPM. What is BPM? What is BRE? Okay, fine. As so the both combination. Good. How is it is a both combination? What is that? BPM means business process management. Its full form. It is a tool. This tool is used for to design and generate automation business process in existing and future application. Okay, BPM means business process management. It is a tool. This tool is used for to design, to construct and design, generate automation business process in existing and future application. That is called BPM. How it will be generate automation business process? How it will generate automation business process? As you said, BPM is to generate automation. How? Is anyone helping? Yes. Who is helping? With the help of BRE tool. By using BRE tool, by taking BRE help, BPM will make automation business process. Then what is BRE? Business rule engine. It is a tool. This is called base tool. The Pega system is first introduced the base tool called business rule engine. This tool is built by Java. You don't worry what is Java. Even I don't know Java. So I'm just telling you. But even the BRE tool doesn't understand Java language. Again, I'm telling you, it is built by the Java only. But BRE tool will have different lines called business. It will understand business rule language, not Java language, but developed by internally Java. So what is that? A collection of standard business rules, a collection of predefined business rules, a collection of inbuilt business rules, a collection of product business rules. We are calling business rule engine. We have ready-made business rules are there inside the BRE tool. By using these business rules, by using the standard business rules, I am going to make a for generate automation process in our any BPM application. Every application is a BPM application. Without process, is there any application? Just take it any domain. Is a banking domain, healthcare domain, insurance domain, automobile domain, manufacturing domain, whatever, even government sector, energetic, electric, whatever. Any, even just think it about your working organization level. There is to maintain employees, they have their own application. It's called HRMS application, whatever, right? Even there is a process will be there. Is there, if you want to get offer letter, there is a process. If you want to attend interview, there is a process. The steps, each process you need to follow step by step. That is called in application. There are a number of business processes. A collection of business processes calling the application. That is called BPM application. To develop any application, you are going to use ready-made tools. Those are where it is available inside the BRE. That's why this combination we are calling the Pega. BRE, the base is called parent. On top of that, the build is a BPM feature. It's called BPM application. Both these will be parent and child relationship. The structure we can call reusability. We support the inheritance concept because I want to reuse because already ready-made code is there inside the BRE tool. To develop my BPM application, to develop my customized BPM application, I want to use inside BRE tool. We have the ready-made rules are there. By using those rules, I'm going to develop my application. This structure we can call PRPC. Got it, everyone? What I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Got clear, right? I think I'll show practically. So just I told you that theoretically. Can you prove? I want proof. Without proof, how you can say that is? I'll show that when we start practical session, maybe day 3 will start. Okay, day 3. They will show you that what I told you is a combination of BR and BP. Can you please? I want to prove. I'll show you that. Okay, as a combination of PR and PC, BRE and BPM. This is called BRE business tool. On top of that, they developed your BPM application. Okay, this is about what is PRPC. Then, second question. If you go into intro point of it, I'll ask you first question. There is some application you put it in the resume. What do you use to develop your application? Why you use the Pega tool? As you told that if Pega is a Java tool only, then I can use Java, right? Even Pega is not a licensed product. Sorry, Pega is a licensed product. Not Java is a open source. Why Pega? Any answer for this? Anyone? Why you have to use the Pega tool to develop your application? In the industry, there are a lot of tools will be there, open source, and we have languages. As the best language, Java will be there, .NET will be there, second position. There are a number of languages will be there. Maybe some you want to use C, C++. What are some other languages I can use? Maybe you want to use to develop front end, back end, middle. I can use different languages, right? Front end purpose, I can use HTML, Angular, JSP, Portlet, everything. Front end also, middle. I can use Java, some C++, whatever. Back end, I can use some different database, Oracle, DB, MySQL, whatever. Right? Why you have to use only Pega for your develop your application? Anyone answer, please?
Earlier product value by with the low code customization, it will be very easy. Like product business value can be early realized. That's what my feeling.
Okay, good, Raju. So you told about yourself, right? Low code. You think about this, okay? I'm the customer. I don't want to see code. Code is there or not? Why should I think about that? I'm the customer. Just think it. I'm the client. Why you are recommending Pega? I have the requirement. Why should I invest money for the Pega? I can go for Java. Correct? As a customer, that's they will think it. I have to say about investment, about money, budget. Yeah. Okay, we'll see the points. There are a number of features will be there. I think nearly 30 features are there, 30. But in the class, what is time 9? I'll tell you first, at least, yeah, 50 minutes will be there. Oh, 6 points I'll explain you that. First, see, Pega, not Pega, forget about Pega now. We are fine using of Java. I'm able to develop quality, security, main important quality and security, and main is time, very important time, right? If you start any business, you also start some business. So what you are expecting from the business? The 3 main goals we have that. How to get more profit within the less time. How to get more profit within the less time. How to give the quality product to the customer within the less time. Please note it. Using Java, I can give the quality. Okay. Using Java, I can give the more. So who will provide more best security by Java? Java will do that. It will support anything also. So I want time is very important here. I am ready to give the quality product to the customer within the less time. So nowadays, you know that there's like number of customers, a lot of competitions will be there in the industry. I need to, if you go delay, others will catch your business because everybody is to always thinking about the users, how we can get more users. Then you get more users, automatically get the more profit. So then how to get quality product to the customers within the less time and how to give good service to the customer. The three is very important. Every industry, not only at everywhere, if you start in a small business also, I'm seeing these three things only. Industry is facing these 3 points mainly. Using of Java, I'm going to give, but it's time taking. But now customers are, they don't have that much patience to wait on that because a lot of competitions are going. If you go for delay, so we are losing profit. What I can do that? I find some. These were mainly about organization, about customers. So why I had to do that? They did some R&D, research and development. Finally they decided if you go for BPM tool, if you they found one of the solutions for that BPM tool, you should use the BPM tool. I'm going to achieve 3 goals easily. Very easy, I can achieve that using of BPM tool. But Pega is one of the BPM. The number of BPM tools are there. Pega is one of the BPM tools. So what are the BPM tools? The Pega PRPC, IBM Lombardi, Salesforce, TIBCO, SAP, APN. If you talk, the number of things will be there. But BPM industry, number 1, Pega PRPC. Number 2, IBM Lombardi, our competitor. 3 is APN. Why you say that number 1? Correct. So using of any BPM tool, I'm going to achieve the 3 goals. Then here again you are saying that again Pega is number 1. There's a class will be there, the 60 students, all of the same category, everything. But if you are say that who is the class first, you will tell only one name. How? The behavior, marks, whatever. The same thing. What are the? How is said? Is Pega is the number 1 BPM tool in the BPM industry. What are the special features are there? How is said that? Correct. I'll tell you one by one. 3 years common. Whatever the 3 features will be there, every BPM tool, there's no doubt on that. Then apart from what is there, okay, I'll tell you in this class at least a few points. Pega, it is an independent platform tool. It means that it will support any operating system. It will support any database. There is any specific database, no specific operating system. It is a independent platform tool. This first point. Please, everyone, take one notebook and put the points. Anyhow, I'm going to give the document, but you have to note it, not full sentence, just shortcut word. Okay, just sending you that independent platform tool. Just that line is enough. No need to full explanation. Why I'm saying that? Once the class is over, when you have free time, by seeing that, if you open that notebook, just see the shortcut word. So you are getting anything about explanation about that. If you write full, there is no use even. Just write the single word. Then by seeing the word, you have to get the full explanation. So that is the you have to plan that. I'm going to give the documents, everything is fine, but you need to follow this. Then when you start to think about the Pega tool, then automatically you will get the knowledge. Okay, please maintain the notebook and write all the whatever I'm telling you, just single word. Don't put the full description, just one single word in the every feature. Not only everything from today onwards, you have to start the maintain a book also. Then write them that all the shortcut words. Now, next Pega tool is ready to design any type of application. Any type of means, what are the types of applications are there in the industry? Standalone application, web application, enterprise application, mobile application, tablet application. These are applications are there. Pega will support anything? Yes. Pega will support to design any application also. There is no any specific I want to only standalone, I want web application. What do you mean that standalone and web application differences? Anyone please? What is difference between?
Standalone is within our a laptop or desktop, whereas web application
It's a local application.
Yeah, a web application is not local, but standalone is local.
Web application means I can log in from anywhere.
Yeah.
I can log in from anywhere. Whatever you have banking application, for example, Gmail, I can use from anywhere, right? But local application not like that within the your mission or maybe within the city, whatever. But web application means I can log in from anywhere. I can use your application from anywhere. It's like Gmail, Facebook, whatever social media, anything. In all banking domain, whatever, and healthcare, whatever, any all the domain also, it will be there is a web application only. But what is the main goal here? I need to get more profit. How to get? But I have the business. How to get more profit? When I have established my business worldwide, then only I can get the more users. Then only I can get the more profit. If you go for standard application, what I can do? Is it my local? No, what I can do that? I'll prefer the web application. So we'll prefer the Pega because we are investing some money for the Pega. So we have to prefer only web application. But whatever application, any application will have three-tier structure, correct? Presentation layer, business logic layer, database is core application. We have three layers. Every application without any layer, is there any application? Maybe front end, back end, middle, whatever. Is this not there? Three layers is mandatory. You know what is purpose of three? Front end, middle, back end. Backup code, backup data, back end, middle is a heart to your application called business logic layer. Front end for users because it's a non-technical persons. If you show the business logic, you can't understand that. For them, you have to give the understanding what I can do. That's called presentation layer. To design every layer, we have different languages generally. To design database layer, we have Oracle, DBT, SQL, whatever. What we can do, in the database to create the tables, adding columns, inserted, all CRUD operations like inserting, deleting, whatever database operations. But if you come to Pega, without knowing any database language, please note it, I can give the bit here. Without knowing, I'm not telling that without writing of custom code, without knowing any database language, I can design database layer for your application by using of Pega tool. Okay, without knowing database language, even manager also can create and design the database for your application. Next, business logic layer. It is a heart actually, right? It is a heart to your application. To design that, you should know some custom languages, coding languages, Java, .NET, whatever. But here, to design a business logic layer, and without knowing any coding language, I will design business logic layer by using of Pega tool for your application as a standard, best, as a good quality. As a quality is very important. Best practices we have to follow that to provide good performance. Then front end. To design front end language, we have different languages, as you know that we discussed previous also. It's HTML, JSP, Angular, ASP.NET. Nowadays people are using main is Angular, the famous right now. But without knowing any front end languages, Pega is ready to design the presentation layer to provide quality, good style sheets with good style sheets. So finally, to develop a core application, right? This core application integration is different. We'll talk later about that. To define your application, we are using here 0% coding. 0% coding. Note it. If you are developing anywhere, if I use the code, even as a best practice, as a Pega policy, you should not write code. But if you write the code, everything will be there. If it's not there, you can contact me. I can tell you the solution for you without writing code also. Okay, it can support you. That is there actually. So 0% coding to design an application. Then what about the integrations? This core application fine, as I told that no coding. Without coding, I can develop 3 layers. That's good quality, good performance, and good security. So I'll tell that when I was talking. Pega will provide more security for your application level and source code level. Is very important. Application level, and without security, is there any application? At least they have the basic security. Without basic security, there is no application. It's called account. For example, Gmail application, if you want to know what the features are inside that, should create the account, then only can, if you go inside, then I can know that. Without create, will you find any features are there? No. That's called basic security. Everybody will maintain database. So the same thing, Pega will provide any kind of security. Is a basic security or custom security. The custom, the different things will be there. For example, SSO single sign application. So Pega will provide more security for application level and source code. Otherwise, someone will catch, someone will see your code. So that is very important. I have to see provide the more security for source code level also. Source code means not a code, is a source language, business rule language. So Pega will provide more security for the whole application level, and it will support any kind of support, any kind of security also. Just see that what the types of security are available. There's 4 types will be there generally. You can check it. What we'll discuss later. Security mechanism not now. Then Pega have a great feature, integration feature. This is the main feature actually. That's why to integration means what? Anybody please pick already 9.
Connecting with other applications within our network.
So connecting,
like
okay.
Connecting or transferring or getting the data from different applications.
Any examples?
Examples is like, for example, you mentioned like a single sign-on option. Like, you know, you have like LDAP in your application in your company, and
maybe see LDAP. You are saying that good. SAML we can use whatever.
Yeah, SAML
Regular we're
certification.
seeing right some of the social, like if you want Amazon or IRCTC, some booking the tickets, right? There's 2 different domain application we are connecting, right? Suppose you want to book some seat, a flight ticket, whatever. It's connecting to the banking domain, correct? To pay the money. This is 2 different domain applications we are connecting there. So if you want to connect to different applications, are same category or same domain applications also. Finally, if you want to connect one application to another application, you can use integration feature For that, we need to use mainly they will use an industry web services, SOAP and REST. Have you heard right? I think everybody experienced people definitely know that web services. So they will write for the lot of custom code for that. But if you're coming to Pega, without writing off single percent code also, okay, just doing off small configuration, I can connect any external application that will be developed by any software, that is Java, is .NET, is app, is mainframe, whatever. Pega is ready to connect any external. Because of this future, we are the #1 position in the Pega right now. If you go for IBM Lombard, they are writing some custom code. That's one of the, I'm just telling the number of things will be there, and just until one of the difference I'm telling you. Okay, Pega is ready to connect any external application that will be developed by any software. So without writing off single person custom code also, just doing a small configuration. I want to do some configuration. Using of configuration, I can connect any external application by using of Pega tool. So Pega will support integration feature easily. Okay, then you can show the features also. Are you getting everyone, please? Abhi, Juju, Mahesh, Meena, Raj, Ram, Srini, Vijay.
Yes, sir.
Please let me know here anywhere you are not understanding, please. Getting everyone?
Yep.
I have
Okay.
a question regarding this.
Yes.
The licensing cost.
License card. We'll talk later and one-to-one, please. Ram.
Okay.
We'll talk one-to-one because that's okay. Now we'll talk. I'll show you the full. I understand for you. Okay. We'll discuss that one-to-one. This license cost. Okay.
Got it.
I can give one document also. You can see that. It's not an issue. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Raj, can you please unmute? Sorry, mute. Sorry. Yeah. Thank you. So next, one more point I will discuss then after the class. One of the great next, as you're saying that Pega is ready to develop a core application, integration application, and it will provide more security. We'll talk is fine. Is there any issues? Okay. First, we'll talk, is there any issues I have to you're finding? Okay, how we can? It's like a production issue or development level, any environment. Forget about any kind of system. I'm facing issues in application level. What we can do generally, we'll do some debugging level, right? Correct. We have debugging tools. Tracer, performance analyzer, live UI, clipboard, alerts, tracer, performance analyzer tool, live UI, clipboard, alerts, guardrail, GUARDRLS tool, guardrail, sorry. Guardrail tools. There are the tools are there. We can call these tools debugging tools. As you're saying that Pega will provide more quality. What quality? We'll see that. First, if you want to provide, if you want to say about, there's two types of qualities will be there. I want to check. One is application design quality, correct? There's two types of qualities. One is application quality, design quality, performance quality. Correct? There's two types of, you have to check the qualities. Application design quality, how you are design the application quality is very important. Based on that, will perform the application performance. Based on that, application performance will be there. So design quality, performance quality. General, how will do design quality in any other project level, other languages or whatever. We'll call our senior people. Then he will do some code review. It's a manual, everything, right? He will do code review, and then after that he will do some. Once the code review is done, that he'll check all the scenarios working or not. Everything will do the manually, correct? And after that, maybe check and check out, version control, they'll use all things they'll do manually. But if you come into Pega, we won't do manually. Everything Pega tool will take care. This is one of the great tools is introduced to check application design quality. That is called Guardrail tool. Introduced in Pega tool to know application design quality. This score will be there, weighted score. There's 100. We need to get more than 95. Then only I can allow you to deploy your application to the any target system. That should be testing or production, UAT, whatever. Otherwise, I won't allow you. If you below that, then we can see there is what are the problems. The list will be there based on the need to fix out. Then only it will, once the score will be increased, then only I can allow you. Okay, we don't do the manually everything about checking. By seeing this, the tool will be take care to know about your application design quality. One of the great. I'll show that. Please note it. Next. What about performance quality? This design quality is fine. What about performance quality? Well, question. Performance quality, design quality is good, then performance good. But you have to check it, right? Whether good or not, who knows that? You have to see all the areas, maybe the database level, how the query is given, is there any getting response taking time? You have to know everything, right? There is one of the tools introduced here to know about performance quality. PAL, Performance Analyzer, is a tool introduced in Pega to find application performance quality. Weekly once or twice we have to run this tool, then I can find what is application performance quality. When I run this, is there any performance issues? I have to communicate to particular users. How? That also is manually. So once you get the issues, you'll send the email through manual. No, I won't do that. Pega is came, everything is automation to avoid the human work, manual work. Everything Pega tool will take care. We don't want to do that everything. That's why we came to Pega. Inside, when you run this performance analyzer, your alert tool is mapped inside the performance analyzer tool. When I run it, if there are any issues, alert tool will be ready, trigger to send alerts to the particular users. I'll send if there are any issues, I need to inform the particular users, maybe clients or managers and lead architect people, whatever. If there are any issues, you'll get the direct mail. You will trigger the mail. Then you can see that the other issues will be, please fix it fast. That weekly twice I have to run the performance analyzer. When the run it automatically, even you can do the schedule the performance analyzer also. I want schedule weekly once. I can do that also. Every time coming and running as manual, I don't want time. It is all why you came this like to avoid for the manual work. So that one main response Pega performance analysis will take it. There's one more responsibility. Is there any DB issues? I need to trace out. So to trace the database layer, you can use performance analyzer also tool. Performance analyzer tool is handled to response. One is application performance quality and DB trace. Then tracer, one of the great tool. Tracer tool is used to trace issues in some business logic layer. If you are finding any issues, Pega tool is saying that we don't worry, I can help you easily, but solution you need to provide. You will find easily where the exact problem is coming and it will show you that. Then what about the presentation layer? If you're finding any issue, for that live UI tool is there to trace the presentation layer issues. Good. They're about debugging tools. What about clipboard? Where we can use? Is it integration mother? No. Clipboard. I think you know well this, but word is different for you. It's functional, you know well. Clipboard is a database debugging tool. It is like a session or cookies. What is cookie? What is session? Can you please explain that? Every application has 2 points, right? We'll use. Without that, there's no application. Cookies are session. What is that? Please, can you please speak? Cookies to maintain the data, to store the data temporarily. Correct? Cookies, every browser will have that, but cookies, there is no security. That's why the people who will maintain the, I need to provide security. What we can do, instead of storing the front end, I can store the data temporarily inside the business logic layer by using of session. Then already I'm storing is permanently the backend. Why I have to store the temporary inside the business logic layer? Why? Any one reason? Is it
Faster access. For example,
good?
like
Excellent. Was superb. How fast access means how?
yeah. For example, like we are accessing Yahoo or some kind of websites. So there are like some static images or some text. Those will be like whenever you first access, they will be downloaded and stored on your machine.
Good.
And whenever you access subsequent times, a lot of information which is already stored on your local machine will be like pulled up instead of
Good.
downloading again from the website.
Example, very simple. Cricket score, gold rate, stock market, right? See, is there common information? We have common information. For example, you all are working on project. This common information will be there. It is all the back end. We are 10 members nearly. 10 members go and take it to the database for and bring to and use in a functionality. That is the best way. Otherwise, anyone go on the first set and who are going to do that. You guide and take it and keep it in some ways temporarily, not in the database layer. Once you bring the data from the database and in business logic layer, you can keep it temporarily. And he can use then inside so remaining 9 members purpose, he can maintain the template in the business logic layer. So remaining 9 members, they will use, without going to database layer, they can use the data from the business logic layer, from the template where how we can store it. Template session, they will be there. One of the session object will be there. General coding lesson. Now, I can store it here in Pega. We have one of the main tools, it's called clipboard tool. It is placed inside the business logic layer. This tool is used to store the data temporarily. Why? To improve application performance. How? To avoid hitting off database server many times. How? Well, in which scenario? Is there any common data? Those common data, every time hitting off database, it will impact application performance. What I can do that common data I can keep inside business inside the clipboard. From that, for remaining all people are going to log in from that without going to until next changes. Until next changes. If the changes will happen, it will fetch it again. Until the next changes, the data will be there in the clipboard. From the clipboard, they can going to reuse. For example, cricket score every day. When the live is coming, we can see watch in the web browsers. Through that, what will happen until next score coming? Will everybody will go first attempt who are going to hit log in the website. The data is bringing to store in the presentation business logic layer. From that, next user is going to use it, not for the backend. Until if the changes will happen, you will go for that. Even that changes also you won't pull it. There's some schedule after will be there. When the changes will happen, bring the data to session. You won't do that. Okay, the system will take care. When the change will happen backend, so bring to the business logic layer. From that, I'm going to reuse easily. So that way I can improve application performance. The same thing they introduce here, clipboard. These are the debugging tools are there inside the Pega tool to handle your application to check quality level and quality in the sense and to find the issues level, application issues and quality, design quality, performance quality. For three responsible for the into these three, all the tools are available in the Pega tool. I think this is enough today. So there the features are available. That's why I chosen Pega tool to implement my application. If anybody will ask you how to say that with the explain, not shortcut onward, shortcut sentence. Maybe Pega is independent platform tool. Pega is ready to design application. Pega is this tool. You have to explain everything clearly. Then they won't ask you next question because you told all the Pega history. Okay, I think enough today. So remaining features in the next class. Okay, once you know the Prakash from you. Yeah, my study is done. That do you have any question from anyone? Okay, done. Yeah, I think I'm going to close class. Thank you so much to everyone and for joining. And so one please happy Vinayak Chaturthi to everyone, to your family.
Same to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
all.
Thank you.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah. Okay, thank you. So to everyone, okay, thank you. Any questions from anyone? No, right? Yeah.
You
Thank you.
have some kind of, this is Mahesh. I have one question.
Hmm.
Yeah, due to my system issue, I'm not installing the Pega on my local machine. And if I'm using the Pega cloud, then after 15 days the data will not be there, right?
Yes, it won't be there. You have to create again a new account.
Okay, okay, yeah.
What is the issue in system?
Like the RAM is 4 GB and I'm upgrading it, but not now. So yeah, that is the
No, you
issue.
can upgrade it also, but that is your personal share on what. So upgrade you
Yeah,
can do
yeah.
that also. But fine, anyhow, Pega Cloud you can use if you have that kind of issue. What about
Okay.
64-bit or 32-bit?
It's a 64-bit.
That's fine, not your problem. You can use it, but the application performance very slow.
Yeah, yeah. I tried that. The application was really slow.
Yeah. Okay, then until that you can use the Pega Cloud for practice.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Fine, guys. Thank you so much to everyone.
Thank
Okay,
you.
go and enjoy. Yeah, bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, bye.